Hey, you guys, my name is Turkissa Wilson, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to create this baby bottle using dish liquid soap. That's right, regular old dish liquid soap that you use for your dishes. Any brand will do, and I'm going to show you how to get this effect. So, with that being said, start with a prepped bottle that has already been sprayed with primer. I am going to add a water decal. This is what we will be using. All I did was spray it with a sealer so the ink will not run. I'm going to go ahead and put it in my water now. Just going to let that sit for a minute. The water's kind of cold, so it's going to be in a minute. Okay, I'm going to simply check and see what's ready. I'm going to let it sit for a couple more seconds. Okay, we should be good. Okay, now I'm going to put this on here, like so. Position it the way I want it. And press. Just like that. Okay, I'm gonna have to do this off camera so I can see what I'm doing. Just give me a minute. We're gonna do the liquid dish soap method. This is where we at. The bottle has been primed. It has our image on there, and I am going to simply take my dish liquid soap. It doesn't matter what brand, any kind will do, and I am simply going to pour it. No rhyme or reason, just pour it on there. I'm gonna pour mostly on my image because I don't want. All right, and I'll take the spray paint. and spray. And I'm gonna take the dark color and hit that bottom. Just like that. Okay, you guys, I rinsed off the bottle with water, and this is what it looks like. Now I'm simply gonna let it dry and add a coat of epoxy. I will be back. Okay, you guys, we are back with our liquid dish soap bottle. I already put a coat of epoxy on the baby bottle. Now, this is where we're at. I forgot to remove the tape yesterday, and so the tape is on there. It is on there. So we are going to try to save this baby bottle. So we still got the tape on the neck of the bottle, and we still got the tape on the measurement part in the back. Okay, so what I am going to do is simply take my heat gun, and we're gonna see if we can get this off, tape off. All right, hold on, give me a sec. Okay, I'm gonna start with the measurement part and see how we're gonna do this. So I'm gonna heat it up. Push out right there. That is on the tape. Okay, that should be good. Now I'm gonna take my tweezers and see if I can peel it off. Now you can see it left some residue, but it does come off. See that residue on there? And what I'm going to do is try to get it off with some alcohol. I'm gonna wipe it down with some alcohol on the Q-tip, and I'll be back. Oh, let me go ahead and do the neck. Get it all out the way. I'm just gonna heat. It's hot. Whew, it's hot. Heat that neck up. Remember, this bottle has been sitting overnight, so it's on now. And it has a coat of epoxy on it. Okay, here we go. And look at that. That neck is clean and no epoxy whatsoever. So I'm going to tell you something. I'm going to tell you something right now. Like before in my other videos, I said wait 3 hours to remove your electrical tape off the neck of the bottle. I'm going to change that. I actually like this way better, because there's no epoxy residue on the neck of the bottle whatsoever. nice and clean, just like that. So I do not have to worry about using my acetone to clean off the neck of the bottle. We good to go. So all I'm going to do is take some alcohol and clean off that residue and retape it up and put another coat of epoxy on it. I'll be back. Okay, you guys, we are finished with the liquid dish soap baby bottle. Now, I do wish there was some more blue on the bottle, but that's all right. We're gonna make do. This is just a little something to show you what it kind of looks like, and do however you want. All right, now I put a coat of epoxy on. You're gonna let that sit for about 3 hours, and you can do a little flood coat, and you're good. Get your heat gun, make sure you get your air bubbles. You shouldn't really need to sand this bottle. And yeah, you're good to go. You would let it sit for over 24 hours before you wash it out with soap.